Only with the guy. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Edith Fernandez, and I've been playing from childhood. Initially, I was inside, and I just love playing football, and still playing. And I love to play here because I played here, and the ground was not of grass. Now, since it's so beautiful, love playing. Still want to keep going until I can.
What is the message for the youngsters for today's youngsters?
Youngsters, please focus and keep playing and work hard. That's all I can say. You will receive and you will achieve your goals.
Only with the guy. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Subscribe Prudent Social Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.